This video is part of a much bigger project. You'll find the entire project with all of the instructions on my website. Okay, so it's time now to upload your child's artwork into the Cricut design space. I've started a new project and now I'm going to upload that file. So I click Upload Image and then I'm going to browse for the file, which is on my desktop. There we go. Okay, so I saved it at a really high quality, and so it gave me that little warning. Now I'm going to try it as a simple image. Depending on how your image is put together, this is sometimes the easiest way to go. So I'm going to try it as a simple image. So I click Simple and Continue. Now we're going to remove the background. So we're going to see what Cricut detects. Oh, that worked perfectly. Did a great job. So part of the reason it did such a good job in this is that it's a really simple image with those thicker lines. And so I'm going to preview the cut image just to see what that's going to look like. And you see how it kind of smooths out some of the lines a little bit, but that looks totally great. Really great. So I think we're ready. If there were some issues here, if there were some areas where it hadn't removed the background that I wanted it to remove or something like that, you can go in and select, and you can change the color tolerance. You can erase things. For example, I think given all of what's going on in this particular picture, I think this doesn't translate very well. So I'm going to take that off. And I think also I'm going to take these little guys off because I suspect that, and maybe this one, I think that when it comes time to put this on the little pouch, those pieces are going to be too big and we need a little bit smaller image size. You could also go back if you changed your mind and, oh, I didn't actually want to delete this after all. You can go back and fix that just like that. But I'm going to revert and go back. So this is a super easy way to take out the background. It looks really great. You can also come in and crop it. If there are parts that you don't want to import, you can crop it. In this case, I'm not going to do that, though I'm wondering about those notes up above, since my pouch is a slightly different size, but I can also decide that later when I'm weeding and decide whether I'm going to keep those or not. And so for now, I'm going to leave them. So I click down here, Apply and Continue. And now you have a choice. Are you going to do a print then cut image, depending on what your project is going to be, or just a cut image? And for me, because I'm doing this in vinyl, it's just a cut image. So then I click Upload, and I'm going to use this, Add to Canvas. And here it is. Now, it's big because I imported it as big size. So I'm going to reduce it down to 8 inches. And for the little pouches that I am using, I actually have a slightly smaller image than that. I think it needs to be 6 inches tall, if I'm remembering correctly. So I'm going to go in and change the height. Oops. 6 inches. And that is super easy. And now I'm going to add some lettering to this too.